History is calling for the first time ever in FUFA Drum history. The Giants collide on a battlefield. This is the moment we've been waiting for. Sunday, March 22nd, Lango Province heads to Soroti City to face Teso Province. It's more than a match. It's a clash of neighbors, but of regional pride and a historic first for the FUFA Drum. To our neighbors in Teso, take cover. The defending champions are coming to claim what is ours. We aren't just coming for a game, we are coming to silence the stadium and leave the victory. The Rhino does not know. It breaks the door down. And when the champions move, we don't move quietly. Samsamo is already loading the long bed trailers and the biggest, loudest music system in Lango. Because when Lango travels, we bring the noise, we bring the power, we bring the fire. We are moving in thousands. We are taking our rhythm, our spirit, and our unstoppable energy across the border. Transport to Soroti is only 15,000 Ugandan shillings. Book your space now and join the convoy. Don't be left behind as the Rhino charges to conquer. This is about our ancestry. This is about our football. This is about our Lango culture. Support us, mobilize, pack the trailers, fill the vibe, and let's turn Soroti into a sea of orange and white. Sunday, March 22nd, Soroti Stadium, Lango Province. One team, one people, one history. See you in Soroti.